Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing a narrow service mix so you can deliver quickly and well. Start with 1-3 services that match your existing strengths. Pricing should be simple and testable. Once chosen, make a one-page profile that shows skills, a clear hourly or package price, and one example task you can complete now. Then set up payment and a basic contract template, PayPal, Stripe, or bank transfer, so you can accept the first client immediately. Next, focus on credibility and outreach. You make 3 short task demos that show how you solve problems, record or document them, and keep them ready to share. Then secure 2 quick testimonials by doing low-cost or free pilot work for a willing contact, because social proof accelerates trust. Finally, list yourself on 1 or 2 platforms and send 5 tailored pitches daily. Personalize each message and include a demo link so prospects see exactly what you can deliver. Now close your first paid job with a clear onboarding checklist that spells out deliverables, milestones, and deadlines. Get written agreement. Once work starts, automate 1 repetitive task with a free tool to protect your time and maintain quality. If a client stalls or feedback is negative, ask for a specific micro-feedback item, adjust the scope instead of overpromising, or offer a one-time discount to reset the relationship. These steps finish the job and preserve future referrals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.